Good morning, and welcome to episode 276 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checken, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, May 12th, 2026. First off, don't get used to the beard. I've been at home recovering from hip replacement surgery over the past week, and I am looking forward to getting things back to normal very soon. While I was recovering, gold, silver, oil, and treasuries have all moved higher along with inflation. President Trump is off to China to meet with President Xi Jinping. Iran is on the list of discussion points, but it is not a priority. President Trump was very clear that nuclear weapons remains the top discussion point with Iran, and it is non-negotiable. Newly confirmed Fed Chairman Kevin Warsh faces a monthly increase in food prices of 0.7% and an annual increase of inflation of 3.8%. I believe that's the highest we've seen in about 4 years now. PPI is due out later today. Let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers. We haven't shared numbers in 2 weeks with you, so these numbers are from now versus 2 weeks ago. Gold is up 2.9%, trading at $4,700.20 an ounce. It was $45.6860 2 weeks ago. Silver, big winner, up 19.4%, trading at $87.06 this morning. It was $72.89 an ounce 2 weeks ago. Platinum up 10.8%, trading at $2,137 an ounce. It was $19.29 an ounce 2 weeks ago. And palladium trading up 3.0%. It was $15.16 2 weeks ago. It was $15.16 this morning. It was $14.72 2 weeks ago. With gold underperforming silver over the past 2 weeks, it's going to take less ounces of silver to buy that ounce of gold. So your gold-silver ratio is down to 53.99. It was 62.67 2 weeks ago. And the dollar, with all the talk of dollar strength, I'm still not seeing it against the legacy index. It is trading at 98.53. It was 98.68 2 weeks ago. So with all this going on, visits to China, inflation surging, oil prices, the Iran conflict, you name it, the one thing that has not changed in the past 2 weeks is we continue to overspend. And as a result, we continue to increase our budget deficit and our budget debt, but our debt as a country, nearly 40 trillion at this point. And as long as that continues, it is going to trigger expansion of the money supply. It is going to therefore dilute every dollar in circulation, and everything that matters to you is going to cost more. There is no two ways around it. And we know what the problem is. It's overspending. It's lack of fiscal responsibility. We know what the answer is. It is gold. Do the necessary. As always, we'd like you to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us, send us your comments and questions. Follow us on social media. Take our twice weekly, always something interesting alerts and our once monthly information line newsletters. But in the end, don't ever forget, getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.